and welcome to an exciting new release, our Decodable Stories AI generator. Exactly how it sounds, we're trying to create visual representations of stories, embed targeted phonics skills to be able to complement the work that you're already doing. We're taking your inputs here and creating downloadable stories that will look exactly like this, straight to PowerPoint or to PDF, that you can run with your classes with embedded activities. Let's take a closer look at the actual activity generator here. We can target our phonics skill via the drop-down menu, a variety of ones that you can choose from here. Give our contextual influence. What is the story going to be about? You might be able to add in your cross-curricular priority here. Characteristics of rocks. We're looking at perimeter and shapes or seasons. We might be talking about this example where Harry goes to school and learns a hard lesson about not packing his lunch correctly, and he's a bit tired by the end of the day. Select our reading level, which is in line with our national literacy progressions. Select a narrative structure to have a bit more contextual influence over the style of the story. It might be able to complement your phonics skill. We can put our total length, exactly how long we would like the story to, but really cool. We can embed these inline activities, our check for understanding, our midpoint in this version here, and at the end by our check for understanding slides, we're going to embed two. You can add these up as you get your story a little bit longer. We've also added our image type, giving you a bit more contextual influence over the style for engagement with students, a variety that you can pick from there. And last but not least, adding in our high frequency words. These might be words that you want to embed or you'd like to practice a little bit further. Run the tool, download the story. Let's take a closer look at exactly what we got. Our story starts off where Harry goes through and exactly in line with what I'm after. Didn't pack it very well, but what I want to focus in on here is our check for understanding slides. What we're trying to do here is practice exactly what we preach. We're targeting a phonics skill. We're looking at silent letters here. So we're looking at these ones. These were our high frequency words, and we're practicing those together to get a build fluency, but also they are embedded within the story. Overall comprehension, trying to make some predictions and connections. And the same goes all the way at the end because we set this check for understanding to 2. And at the end, we'll have our activities that we can progress from the story. We're looking at the silent letter hunt, understanding how Harry was feeling, the big lesson that he learned, predicting and connecting, but also a vocabulary mastery activity at the end. Great tool. This is going to be very complementary to a lot of teachers on how they're already doing their phonics programs. And this is just a fun way that you can target some really fun stories into your learning. Enjoy.